This video explores how lightning can damage your home appliances and provides tips on how to protect them from high voltage. Lightning strikes carry millions of volts, overwhelming the standard voltage capacity of your home's wiring. This sudden excessive energy is too much for your wires to handle. Lightning can enter your home through three main paths: a direct hit, through power lines, or via ground current. When lightning strikes, it causes a sudden overload, creating a huge voltage spike that far exceeds the normal power levels. This massive surge in energy generates extreme heat, which can cause wires to get hot and insulation to melt, potentially leading to fire hazards. Even without a direct hit, a lightning strike nearby can generate an invisible electromagnetic pulse. This magnetic field can induce currents and enter your home through the wiring. Once inside the electrical system, the surge of energy travels up the cord and directly into your connected appliances. The extreme current destroys tiny components within the circuits, leading to burnt and irreparable parts inside your electronics. Everything is at risk, from delicate electronics like TVs and gaming consoles to heavy motor appliances like refrigerators and washing machines. Sometimes, the damage is delayed. Weakened parts may continue to function after the storm, but fail completely weeks later. Protection 1. Unplugging. This is 100% effective and should be done for sensitive electronics during electrical storms. Protection 2. Use a surge strip. This device stops the voltage spike and protects the single device plugged into it. Protection 3. Install a whole home surge protector. This device stops surges at the electrical service entry, protecting your entire house. Keep your home safe and secure by remembering 2 steps. Unplug electronics during storms and use surge protection devices.